Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while. We've passed our Christmas holiday, and I took quite I guess 2-3 weeks out. 2 of those weeks I was babysitting. My wife had a very special client in town and high-paying gig, so we traded places in terms of who was heading out. And it's been a while since I've had these driving chores, but today we're here at the exit of Disney's, one of the entry points to the 192. Usually the on my right side here, you can see, is Disney traffic, and then on the my lane and the other two to the left is the famous 192. The 192 goes it goes across Orlando, Lower Orlando, Kissimmee, and out towards the East Coast, if I'm not mistaken, all the way out there. It ends pretty much ahead. I would normally be heading towards that end, but the traffic is a little heavy, so I'll be turning off of it before the end. The end is I don't know how many miles ahead, but we're closer to it at this end of the 192. So we're heading towards Four Corners. For those of you who know Florida maps, we're heading towards the Four Corners area, and that's where the 192 ends. And it ends at the 27. If I'm not mistaken, the 27 goes up and down through Florida, north and south. Okay, so that's a very long road, the 27. But in any case, here we see on the right side the backed up traffic. You have a lot of congestion up front. Usually on the left side, you have an exit on Old Lake Wilson Road, 2-lane exit, but it's just immense amount of traffic heading up that way. So it's the rush hour traffic. It's a little too heavy for that turn point, and so that causes a backing up of the 3 lanes, as you see here, as people try to maneuver to get out that exit. And of course, you know what they're always doing, they're trying to get ahead, right? So that's basically what's going on. And then on the right side, we have the traffic coming out of Disney, which also complicates, or it adds that double whammy, if you will. And some of this traffic would be heading out on Old Lake Wilson. Well, you know what we do to remedy this situation, don't you? Already you should know what's to be done. And this is what we're doing. The motorcyclist is not behaving well. But again, that's why they're on motorcycles. I know you motorcyclists will get on me, but I'm dealing with car drivers here. You guys got to make your own channel. But anyway, we're trying to make room here, and the motorcycle, clouds, messes it up. But anyway, okay, so he's gone. He's trying to get ahead there, as you can see. They're infamous for that. And I believe that a lot of these motorcyclists, or the ones that are in the cars, do the same thing. So that remains to be seen. If any of you are guilty of that, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, mum's the word, right? So basically right now, one of the cars on the right side went behind me, so I think we're exhausted the space that's left, and so now I go ahead and progress. We did good. We did very well here. This lane will move. It moves because the traffic jam really is on the left side. But again, as you can see very easily, if I didn't give them room, and most of these guys on the right side do not give the entry lane room to come in, they tie it up on that side for them and for this right lane as well. So you guys gotta help yourselves. Certain things you can't help. I can't help the left side right now. I'm not on there. I'm on the right side because I know the left side backs up. So I'm on the right side to get through this area because I have to go beyond. My destination is beyond this area. But, you got to make space.
In half a mile, turn left.
You got to make some room so that these cars can get in and we can have some progress. All right, so that'll be it. I think the map is telling me to change my direction right now, my navigation, but I'm not going to do that because I have to stay out of this traffic. Could be that something happened up in front. It's telling me to move. I'll look at that and I'll take care of that on my own. Take care. See you next time.